Supply chain management is obviously one of the most promising areas of emerging blockchain systems. Proposed benefits for healthcare can be seen in a number of use cases demonstrated here in pharmaceuticals, global health donations, medical devices, and durable goods. And some of the use cases are demonstrated here, but they include accountability in shipping, tracking, and the transfer of goods, the ability to reduce counterfeiting and theft, and also help better manage inventory and stockouts, expirations, and misuse, some things that we've experienced in the last few months with the COVID-19 epidemic. And the other four use cases for blockchain that are essentially well suited for the supply chain are demonstrated here as well. But one of the most compelling use cases is drug quality and track and trace. Certain regulation requires electronic interoperable systems to identify and trace prescription drugs distributed through a particular country. Controlled substance monitoring is again very important. An example in the United States is that of the federal government increasingly holding the pharmaceutical industry responsible for monitoring the supply chain for illegal and out of patent ordering of opioids, and is penalizing distributors. So the manufacturers are becoming concerned that they too will soon be held largely accountable. Cold chain monitoring is vitally important to ensure the temperature integrity of pharmaceuticals across the supply chain according to various local and international guidelines and regulations. Cold chain shipments are projected to grow substantially in the next few years. And lastly, active pharmaceutical ingredients. Monitoring the source of these and the provenance of ingredients from raw materials through the active pharmaceutical ingredients stage manufacturing and final product manufacturing is really subjected to increasingly stringent regulation. So therefore, there are various trusted partners who need immense amount of visibility of the supply chain and verifying the journey of a drug from manufacturing to the administration into a patient. And if every entity on the supply chain can have this visibility of inventory and audit the distribution of the medicine, that certainly makes it more difficult for counterfeits to reach